My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Raasv2. This is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages them considerably. Well, I have a mess on my screen because of adware, but anyway, my video is indeed about that particular ransomware called Raasv2. And my video is only for the demonstration purposes. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Raasv2 ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data because of this Raasv2 ransomware. So this ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. As a result, it is impossible to use the files anymore because of this ransomware attack. The ransomware reveals this ransom note titled as files encrypted, and also actually it indeed encrypts the files and appends a special extension to the file names. So it's then impossible to use the files anymore. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. This ransom note pops up, and you see that this Raasv2 extension was appended to the file names, and it's impossible to use the files anymore. Indeed, the files are all damaged and encrypted, and even your browser doesn't function. I mean, your Google Chrome browser, for instance. So the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Paying the ransom, though, is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Go to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. You will need to use your Internet Explorer browser for this purpose. So download Combo Cleaner using this green download button. Install the application, and then start carefully investigating your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.